Hello students, this is my part 7 of biomolecules, and today we will discuss the structure, composition of DNA, RNA. In last class we have discussed about the structure of nucleotide, dinucleotide, like that, and today we will summarize some data regarding DNA and RNA. So first we can write types of nucleosides in DNA and types of nucleotides in DNA. Types of nucleotides in DNA. So nucleosides and nucleotides, the nucleosides are made up of, that is, nitrogenous base and pentose sugar. So first one is, we can name accordingly also the name of nucleoside, deoxyadenosine. Deoxyadenosine, that is adenine plus the sugar. So this adenine plus sugar nucleoside, when added with phosphate, it changes to deoxy-AMP, that is deoxy or DAMP, we can tell, deoxyadenosine monophosphate. So like that, second one is deoxyguanosine. So this is G plus S. When added with phosphate, it changes to, that is, DGMP. DGMP means deoxyguanosine monophosphate. Then third one is deoxycytidine. That is C plus S added with phosphorus, changes to DCMP. This is deoxycytidine monophosphate. And you know that the thymine is the component of DNA, not RNA. So then deoxythymidine, that is T plus S added with phosphorus, DTMP, that is deoxythymidine monophosphate. So we can also write here deoxyadenilic acid, deoxyguanilic acid, deoxycytidilic acid, deoxythymidilic acid. So these are the types of nucleosides in DNA and types of nucleotides in DNA. Here this is nucleotides, that means this phosphate is added up, and if you minus the phosphate, then it is nucleosides. It only contains the nitrogenous base and the pentose sugar. So we can write here also types of nucleosides in RNA. Nucleosides in RNA and types of nucleotides in RNA. Types of nucleotides in RNA. So several questions are made from these basic concepts. So we have to write here first one, that is adenosine, that is adenine plus sugar. When added with phosphate, it changes to nucleotide, that is called AMP, adenosine monophosphate. And second one is guanosine, that is G plus S, that is guanine nitrogenous base and the pentose sugar. When added with phosphate, this is GMP, guanosine monophosphate, So third one is cytidine, that is cytosine plus sugar. When added with phosphate, changes to CMP, cytidine monophosphate. And fourth one is uridine, that is uracil plus pentose sugar, or sugar is there added with, that is phosphate, UMP, that is uridine monophosphate. We can also write adenylate acid, guanylic, cytidilic and uridylic acids. So this is all about the nucleosides in DNA and nucleotides in DNA, nucleosides in RNA and nucleotides in RNA. Then we will write the types of DNA and their comparison. Types of DNA we can now discuss. So this is DNA type, then base pair per turn, DNA type, base pair per turn. Then we can write rotation, then here we can write vertical rise per BP, vertical rise per base pair, and here helical diameter per base pair, or so this is the different parameters. So in aDNA the base pair per turn is 11 and right-handed helix 2.56 angstrom, and this is 23 angstrom. And in bDNA this is 10 base pair and this is also right-handed DNA, 3.4 angstrom, and that is diameter is 20 angstrom. Then cDNA is 9.33 and this is right-handed, and here 3.3 angstrom and helical diameter is 19 angstrom. And here zDNA is also called zigzag DNA because the base pair is 12 very compactly arranged forming zigzag DNA, and this is left-handed, and the vertical rise 3.8, that is angstrom or degree angstrom you can write also, that is helical diameter 18.4 angstrom. So this is the types of DNA, and we can discuss also different other factors or other types of DNA. So other names in different situation, that is linear double stranded DNA we can find in PPLO, pleuropneumonia like organism in PPLO, and repetitive DNA, particularly a sequence is repeated again and again. So this is 5 prime, 3 prime, and this is 3 prime and 5 prime. Here suppose A is repeated. So T, the complementary base pairing. This way repetitive DNA are found in, that is satellite DNA, and this has very important role in your also, that is DNA fingerprinting process, the VNTR regions. And another is palindromic sequence we will discuss in detail in biotechnology also. Here what happens, there is the mirror image is there, 5 days, 3 days, 3 days, 5 days, GAA TTC. So this is GAA TTC. So in this way you will read, and in reverse this is also, this is called mirror image is there, that is called palindromic sequence. And another character, that is denaturation and renaturation, and renaturation. Simple thing is that in double helical structure A pairs with T, so here double bond is there, and C pairs with G, triple bond is there. So here when we add high temperature acid or alkali, temperature acid alkali, then what will this bond will break, and again if we restore, then renaturation occurs or annealing we can tell. And the melting point is, particularly we can find, that is A and T is more, A and T pair is more, that is your low melting point, G and C high melting point because of this hydrogen bond stability. Then another factor is C value. C value means what? This is the amount of DNA per genome. So this is all about the different characters related to DNA, types of DNA and structure of DNA.